Now, if like me, you have a workshop, how often do you get asked the question, what do you make in your workshop? If the truth be told, I spend most of my time making things to make things, just to improve the workshop. And that's something that a lot of people don't really understand, but I think probably most of you who watch this channel do. So today, let me just make something for the sake of, well, the house, I guess, this handle, something which is useful. Let's have a closer look at the handle. You can see here that there's a circlip that's supposed to go in this groove here. Here's a circlip, it'd come off. And you can see why it come off, because this groove is quite close to the end there, and this cheap material here, Mazak I think it is, this alloy, which is suitable for die casting, has just failed. And I think the reason that failed is because the door was a little bit stiff, and I was repeatedly pulling the handle, and it's just basically given way. What I'm proposing doing is pushing this shoulder back, there's enough material there, facing this, and putting a new groove in, maintaining these proportions. Let's see if it works. So, as is so often the case with components like this, I expected it to all be based on metric sizes, but when I measured it, it turns out that the length of this is 1/2 inch, the distance between the shoulder and the edge of the groove is 3/8, and the groove width is 50 thou. Who would have believed it? There we are. Anyway, that makes it easier for me. Well, I've got that about as true as I'm going to get it. This isn't exactly high precision, and the setup is a little bit fragile. As you can see there, it's really these two jaws that are gripping across the handle, and these two jaws are just providing a little bit of support. Not very much at all. So I'm going to go very gingerly with this, and see if we can cut back the shoulder. I think we've got that circlip in place. I just chamfer the end, and hopefully that's it. Okay, time to assemble. I'm not 100% sure whether that slot's deep enough. We might have to extend that, but let's try. think that's okay. Let's go and try it on the door. So was it worth repairing this handle? In fact, actually I did the other side as well, so I did 2 handles. And the second handle was much quicker than the first one because I had the tooling set up and it just took a fraction of the time. So was it worth it? I think it was actually. I think that I saved quite a bit of money on this. I would have had to have bought the whole unit and it would have taken time to go out and get it. So yeah, I think it's worth it. And this is an example of a home workshop actually producing something useful.